Next, we're going to go over a modification. Now, the difference between a bug and a modification is a bug is not going to be anything that is changed on the software system, but just fixing an issue that is stopping someone from completing a specific task, just like we went over with adding that new user. An example of a modification would be a change that you would like to have. So let's say that on this page, we would also like to include the middle name. We would like to ask the first name, the middle name, and the last name. For that, it would be very similar to the bug report. So let's go ahead and we can take what we did for this one right here, and we can just copy some of this information. So I'm going to copy this information just so it's faster to add, and I'll click Report Issue. This time we're going to choose Modification. Reproducibility, have not tried would apply because it's a modification. For severity, you can choose the option that you'd like. This would generally be on how many different people this would affect when using the program. For severity, you can choose major if it happens to affect a lot of people that are using the software. Otherwise, it's probably going to be minor or a tweak, etc. Priority, same kind of thing. You can choose what you like. Assigned to, again, is probably going to be removed. For the summary, we're just going to write a few words describing the modification that we'd like. So we'll say adding user, add middle name. Then I'll go ahead and paste that information here. You can see that we're going to include the link. So let's go ahead and delete this information. And we'll say, when adding a new user and indicating their name, include a text box for middle name between first and last. Okay? Steps to reproduce. We're not really reproducing this, so you don't need to include that. Again, we went over what it does to take a screenshot, and then you can input what the due date is, etc. there, and click Submit Report.